అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఆల్జీబ్రాలో ఫండమెంటల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసుకోబోతున్నాం. ఫస్ట్, విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్ పాలినామియల్స్? ఇచ్చిన 4 క్వశ్చన్స్లో ఏది పాలినామియల్ కాదు? ద ఫస్ట్ వన్ 1/2x² minus 6x minus 1/7 minus x cube. The second one 10p² plus 7/p minus 2. Third one 5z³ minus root 7z² plus 1. Fourth one 3x to the power 1/2 plus 5x² minus 9x² plus 2. So which is not a polynomial? What is the condition to be the expression be a polynomial? The exponent of variable need not to be non-negative, and also it cannot be decimal either fraction. The power of the all variables in the expression must be positive integer. ప్రతి వేరియబుల్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్లో పాలినామియల్లో ఉన్న ప్రతి వేరియబుల్ పవర్ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ అయి ఉండాలి. లుక్ ఎట్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్. This is x². It has positive integer. X means x to the power 1. Its power is also positive value, positive integer. x³ this is also positive integer. The second one 10p². Square is a positive integer, positive power, and 7/p. So denominator lo p undi. If you write 7/p can be written as, if you bring the denominator to the numerator, 7 times p power minus 1 by p ki power 1 ఉంది. ఈ న్యూమరేటర్లోకి వచ్చినట్లయితే p power minus 1 అవుతుంది. సో ఇట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ పాలినామియల్. చెక్ రిమైనింగ్. The third one 5z³ minus root 7z². z³, this z also has positive power and this also positive power, so this is also polynomial. And 3x to the power x to the power 1/2. ఇక్కడ పవర్ 1/2 ఉంది. పాలినామియల్ అంటే అవ్వాలంటే కండిషన్ ఏంటి? పవర్ మస్ట్ బి పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ అయి ఉండాలి, అదర్వైజ్ హోల్ నంబర్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్. 1/2 ఈజ్ ఎ రేషనల్ నంబర్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో నాట్ ఎ పాలినామియల్. ఆన్సర్ both option B and D are not polynomials. B and D are not polynomials. ఎందుకని? ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ పవర్ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ అయి ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్లో ఉన్న పీని న్యూమరేటర్లోకి తీసుకొచ్చి రాస్తే పవర్ -1 వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ x to the power 1/2 ఉంది. సో దీస్ టూ ఆర్ నాట్ పాలినామియల్స్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్. బోత్ B and D are not polynomials. So look at the next question. Give the degree of the polynomial. How do we find degree of polynomial? తెలియాలి అంటే we have to add the powers of the exponents in each term. The first one, A, has 3 terms, which is the 3x² and minus 2y³ plus 6x to the power 5. So in the 3 terms ఉన్నాయి. This is if the polynomial has 3 terms, that is called trinomial. ఈ ట్రైనామియల్ 3 టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా. 3 టర్మ్స్లో ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్లో ఏముంది? 3x²y². సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్ ఇట్స్ పవర్స్ ఆఫ్ ద వేరియబుల్స్. యొక్క పవర్స్ని యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏ టర్మ్కి హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఉందో, విచ్ టర్మ్ హ్యాస్ హైయెస్ట్ పవర్, that is called the degree of the polynomial. So look at the first term 3x²y². Add its powers. So 2 plus 2. First term degree is 4, and the second term degree, here it has only one variable, y³. So it is 3. The degree of second term is 3. Degree of third term, x to the power 5, only one variable in the add cheyadaniki em ledu, so its degree is 5. So which is greater among these 3? So degree of the first one is 4, degree of the second term is 3, degree of the third term is 5. So among this, the third one is the highest among all these 3 terms. So degree of the Degree of the polynomial is 5. This is the answer. Look at the second one. Degree is 5. Next, second one. Here there is no variable. Then how do we calculate that? How do we find the degree of the polynomial? So you should remember one thing. Always the degree of the constant is 0. This can be written as constant term మనం ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు అంటే 20 minus 23 x to the power 0. X to the power 0. Anything power 0 is a to the power 0 is 1. Similarly, if x to the power 0 means 1, 23 times 1 is 23. It is not. It is equal to minus 23. So what is the degree of the constant term? So degree is equal to 0. The degree of the constant term of a polynomial is the degree of the constant polynomial is 0. So look at the third one. The third question, minus 2x plus 9. Minus 2x plus 9. It has two terms. Then it is said to be binomial. In this binomial polynomial, binomial, what is the degree? So degree is equal to, degree is highest power of the variable term. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వేరియబుల్ టర్మ్ ఒకటే ఉంది, అదర్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద అదర్ ఈజ్ అ కాన్స్టెంట్ టర్మ్. సో మైనస్ 2xలో ఎక్స్ పవర్ ఎంత ఉంది? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్? it has 1. If there is nothing, it means 1. So x to the power 1, its degree is 1. This is the linear polynomial. If degree of the polynomial is 1, it is called a linear polynomial. If this is 0 degree polynomial, 0 degree polynomial, and this is degree is 5. Thank you. Look at this. Identify pair of like terms. Pair of like terms. What is the condition for the like? Identify the like terms. How do we identify like terms? So look at all here. We have 4 monomials. 4 terms are there. In each term, look at the variable coefficients. This is yz, this is yz square, xz, and yz. See, it must have same variable coefficient with the same power or same exponent. See, y power 1, z power 1, y power 1, z square, x power 1, z power 1, y power 1, z power 1. So look at this, yz power 1. This is y power 1, z square, but these are not like terms. This is x, here we have y, but this is x coefficient. They are not like. They must have same variable with the same exponent. So the 4 yz, 4yz and minus 6yz are the like terms. These are like terms. 4yz and 4yz and 4yz and negative 6yz are like terms. This is the answer. Next. Second one, first term is 7xy, second term 4 by 3x square y, third term 16x square y square, and fourth term is 11xy. So which term has same variables? All the terms has x and y variables, but we have to identify the same variables with the same exponent. This is x power 1, y power 1. This is x squared. So which is similar to this? So this is x square, y square. So there is an x square, y square term. Only this is what is 1. So here we have x power 1 and y power 1. The last term is also x power 1, y power 1. So the first term and the last term are the like terms, which is 7xy and 11xy are like terms.